Today, let's look at the distance to moving average feature in the screener. This column shows how far the stock price is from its moving average in percentage terms. For example, if the value is 0.34%, it means the price is just slightly below the exponential moving average and would need to rise only 0.34% to reach it. One of the coolest features on our platform is sorting in the column set. With distance to moving average, you can sort by price greater than the 20-day exponential moving average or price greater than the 50-day exponential moving average. This is very powerful. Another powerful tool is the column filter. For example, we might want to see stocks where the distance to the 20-day exponential moving average is at least 1.5%, but no more than 2%. This highlights stocks that are trading closest to their moving average cross, making it easy to focus on the most interesting setups. By using sorting and filtering together, you can instantly find stocks that meet your exact criteria. This saves time and helps you spot high-potential trading opportunities quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.